Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to repair door hinges on doors. First, we're going to open the door and chalk it up.
Some people go for that look, but I don't really.
This prevents the door from falling.
Just an angular and
First, we're going to take out the screws. Then we're going to take a 1/4-inch bit and I'm going to drill the holes right out.
You would never even notice in the place. Yes, I'm a huge hole. Snag, but once I get it on Ellie and you guys have to clean and then hoist those straps up because
We're going to grab a hardwood dowel, 1/4-inch. Make sure we get a nice fresh edge on there. Wood glue works. I prefer Gorilla wood glue. And we're just gonna put a good amount of glue on the dowel and then smear it around like so. We'll break it over here so you have something. It's easy. It makes it easier to pound in. And then we're gonna take the dowel and we're just gonna put it in these holes.
At first, I hated them. She didn't put them in place after I had to buy like
break it off a little more.
she didn't put enough place on it. And there was like 2 bags.
So it's snug in there, break it off. And then we'll just keep on reapplying glue to do all 4 holes.
It's hard to see, like,
It is,
just
yeah.
out of brain space.
You can't really remove the lace until you practice the
Yeah, just in the head once it's on you.
That would be enough glue on there.
Why would she just put one of these right there anyway? It needed it anyway.
Yeah, it is hard. I suppose once I have honesty where the
Don't say David's.
the dress is from Miss Ruby's, and then she recommends to give a bunch of recommendations to like Anka alterations.
Okay.
She does like out of her home and like
Like from, I don't know, she had an accent.
she's from.
Don't try going in the same hole.
No, the other one. I did Ukraine. Yeah, like right around. Yeah, because I know it's somewhere right around Ukraine, but
She must
similar.
have been here for a long time.
Yeah, similar accents. So she wasn't. She's
That went in pretty good.
That's why she. Well,
And the last one.
It's some other country out there, but still. But I was glad because I was like, oh my god, if she went like before and they got stranded over there or something, I would really die. Yeah. She has my dress and I was like, oh cool. Right.
I'm breaking in.
Yeah, now they're like, they're working with her a lot.
Yeah, I saw that, but.
I feel like they have the forethought, especially.
Then we just want to make sure that the dowels we installed are flush with the mortise.
Yeah, she's my very, very
So I use my
and all the times she always
multi-tool.
she never said.
And that just cleans it up. Then we're gonna put what I call a Vicks bit in the drill. And this basically centers your drill bit where it needs to be. So position the hinge over the door, push the door over where it needs to be, and drill out all 4 holes.
Okay, we don't have any videography in here right now, so.
Put our number 3 Phillips bit back in. Grab the screws. And put the screws back in.
Someone forget their key?
No. And now our door should close smoothly after we pull the truck out. Thanks, ladies.
Thank you.
And voila. That's how to fix the door properly.